Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Papercrafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you something that I bought recently. I think I said it in my haul video of my Echo Park that I wanted to start keeping all of my collection kits and extras together. Lately, when I've been buying mystery boxes and stuff like that, they've been a little bit more curated. So in my last Echo Park mystery box unboxing, I got a bunch of one collection. Ephemera, sticker book, all that kind of stuff. So I went on and I was looking for 12 by 12 scrapbook, like envelopes, not really envelopes. I don't know what I was looking for that would hold the paper, the collection kit, and everything else I needed. Well, and one of the comments in one of the products I looked at mentioned that they used 2-gallon freezer bags, but the person wasn't happy because there was so much extra bag. I don't care about that. I don't care about how much extra bag there is. This was half the price, at least half the price of what the other products were. So I figured I'll give it a try. I don't care. I'll give a 2-gallon bag a try. They're 13 by 15. So here they are. And I have all of my stuff out, so I figured we could together see how well this works. So I have a bunch of stuff off to the side. I went through and grabbed everything that I was going to need, and I'm going to start with the one from the Echo Park mystery box. So that was the Telling Our Story, the paper, the coordinating solids pack. So let's see if it'll even fit in here, shall we? It should. It's 13 by 15. I don't know why the person was complaining about so much extra space. There doesn't seem to be a lot of extra space in my opinion. So we have that chipboard here, the puffy stickers, we have some ephemera, and then the sticker book. So now when I want to work on this collection, everything is in this bag. There are a few more. So let's do all of them and see how we like it. I think there's at least three more that I'm putting in the bags. So we'll grab 3. Okay. Put those off to the side. So for the next one, I have this, which I don't know what I'm waiting for, why I haven't used it. I used one piece. I used this piece, and that was it so far from this collection. I haven't used anything. Oh, and this piece. So I used 2 pieces. This piece and this piece are the only pieces I've used from this collection. I've been waiting for something special, you guys. Have I found it? I don't know. But I have a lot of stuff because this came from the Simple Stories I can't think. It came from the mystery box. So I have the frames, I have the journal bits, the floral bits, and the page pieces. I think that's it. No, I have stickers. Hold on. I have a sticker book and these chipboard pieces, which I'm just going to open because I had popped them out of the container because I ran out of room. So I'm just going to throw them in here. So, oh, and I have one other thing. Where is it? Where art thou? The 6x8 paper pad. Okay, so I have all of this go in here. This is what I'm saying. I'm sitting here and I'm already oh wait, I have this, I have this. I don't want to forget all the stuff that I have that, and like I said, I'm just gonna throw those in. I'm not worried about it at all, you guys. Not worried about it. I don't want to, I ended up having to, I keep all my chipboard and everything like that in one of those photo keepers from Michaels. You know what I'm talking about, with like the, how many are in there? I think it's like 16 4x6 plastic containers that hold photos. So this one's done. I keep everything in there and separated, but I'm running out of room, so that's why I don't care that I punch it out. I'm just going to throw it in there. I ran out of room a long time ago. Alright, so now for this one, I have this. I don't know what's in here. This was just a bunch of random sheets. But I know I have this sticker sheet for this collection. That's all it was in there, was the sticker sheet. But I'm glad I grabbed it. I want to do a baby album coming up, and I'm doing a neutral, so I can use that for my baby album. I don't know when I'm doing that. I have to buy all the stuff, but my son's friend at work is having a baby, so I want to make her a baby album. I have the 6x8, and I believe, do I have, I might not have, but I thought I did. No, I don't. I don't have a sticker book. I thought I did. No, but I do have a sticker book for another. There we go. But now I have this, so when I go to use it, I have the stickers with the paper pad. Since that was a 12x12 and a 6x8, I have the stickers. Last one that I think I'm going to put in one of these bags is the one I just got recently from Peachy Cheap. Now you may be thinking, but you have other ones over there. You'll see. So with this one, I have the 6x8, the sticker book, the note journal bits, the bits and pieces, and the decorative brads. But once again, I want everything together. So I'm just going to put all this in this bag, like so. Now yes, there's extra on this bag, but that's because it's a 6x8. It still doesn't bother me. Okay. And then I have stuff like this. This is Endless Summer. I just got this. And it came with ephemera. So I'm just going to, oh, I do have more for that collection, that one collection. I'm just going to put the ephemera in the front of the collection kit like that. Okay? But I just saw I have this for this one. I knew I had something else. I don't think I've used any of the paper from this collection at all. Okay, there we go. I thought I had something else. Okay. And now I have this and this one, and I'm going to do the same thing. This is Here Comes the Sun, and I have these chipboard I was like, they don't fit. It does. Barely. It barely fits. I'm going to have to put this in a bag. That's okay. Oh, hold on one second. Okay, well, I got distracted. I found more of this right here. I thought I had more of some stuff, so I went looking, and I did. Okay. So I have more of that collection. I have just ripping them all out of the box. Okay. I have this Here Comes the Sun, like I've said. So let's get this in here because this was too big to put in just the pack. So when is this? When was this one made? 2023. Okay. Then I found more ephemera. This one came from one of those full sheets you had to punch out. I just happened to see the same bird. And I was like, oh wait, that goes to that collection. So I grabbed it. But I'm just keeping that in there. That's not a big deal to me. Then I also have this Harvest collection. Now I've used the 6x8. I did have a 6x8 and I thought I had stickers, but I don't see, I would have sworn I had a sticker book. But I don't see the sticker book. So I obviously don't because I don't see it, but I would have sworn I had one. Okay, I don't. I double checked. But I do have a bunch of other stuff. And I don't think I've used this one. I think I used the 6x8, but I don't think I used any of that one. But I have the journal bits, the page pieces, and the bits and pieces I have for this kit. So we're going to throw that. Oh no, here. Harvest Market. See? I knew I had a sticker book. There's the Harvest Market sticker book and all of that. Once again, this also came the same day that I got the flea market in the Simple Stories. I got the Harvest Market. Okay, and then I have some of this homegrown collection. I don't have much. I'm going to put, just like I did for the other one, I'm just going to put this. This is what I got. I just got a few sheets. The only thing it was missing, basically, was the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. But then I have the bits and pieces, so I have that. And then lastly, I have this Let's Go Anywhere. I've cut into this. There's like multiple collections in here. Let me take out, I don't know why there's multiple collections in here. What happened, I think the bag ripped. So let's just take out the one, which is this stuff here. That's not it. That's not it. Okay, and then there's some scraps. So let's just take all of that out. So when I go to use up the rest of this collection, I have all the pieces to use. I may not have a lot of this collection. I do. I see it. It's at the back. Here it is. This is all the rest of this collection. But when I use it, I want to be able to use up everything I have as much as I can. So we're going to put that in there. This will go back in this bag. Like I said, I don't know why they're together. I think the bags must have ripped. It had to have, because I usually don't put collections together. So something had to have happened. Honestly, anything could have happened and I just don't remember. But there were 3 collections in there. Let's get that straight. So I have the chipboard. and a sticker book. That way, when I go to use up everything that's left in here, I have everything here. I think these worked out very well, and I'm going to tell you, I got these at Target. They were $5.99 for 10. And I still have 3 left. So that works out very well. I still have 3 left, and now when I want to use a collection that I have a lot of pieces to, I just have to come grab. Okay, so I have 7 in here. But that'll work out, I think, really well. Now I just need to find where I'm going to store these, because I don't know where to store them. And then I have this one that has the ephemera in, and this one that has 2 packs of ephemera in, and that's that. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this informative, that these gallon, I think these work really well, these gallon. Like, there's not a ton of extra room. I don't know why that person was complaining about. Yes, in this one there is, because it's only a 6x8. But for the 12x12, there's not a ton of extra room. I think this works out great, and I hope this helped you make a decision if you want to do something like this, what you would want to use. I'm sure the other ones are absolutely fantastic, but your girl's cheap, and this was $5.99. And I could have gotten like another one, and they would have been cheaper because they were on sale, 2 for $10. But I didn't. I only got 1. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.